Hello and welcome back to CryptoMac, guys. Today we got a nice price prediction for XRP and Bitcoin. I also have some huge news about Ripple partnering with Asia. And if that's something you're interested in, please smash that like button, smash that bell notification, and let's get it. Okay, guys, thank you all for joining me. Um, Now, I got the 15-minute pulled up on XRP. As you guys can see, I drew this um, bull flag pennant. Um, it seems we have broken out of it. We've did it before. We have broken out of it. I'm going to go ahead and extend this line some. And as you guys can see, we didn't really get a good bounce. It's coming back down to retest this support now, which was resistance. Is it going to last? We didn't have a good bit of volume. It's also Easter. Liquidity volume, everything's down. It doesn't really seem many people are going to be trading over the next couple of days. So I don't really see this thing boosting out, going completely crazy. Now, if we zoom out, though, you guys can see we are still in this falling wedge right here. We are still in the wedge. Um, it seems we are trying to break out, but like I said, it's the holidays, it's Easter for the next couple days. There isn't going to be a lot of volatility. So, we're going to keep an eye on this. I want to take a look at Bitcoin real fast. It is doing a similar thing. But as you guys can tell, it seems this inverse head and shoulders I drew out a few days ago on my previous videos, which will be right above you here in a second. You can check that out and watch it if you want. And I said that we would probably come down, consolidate here, and then get another boost up. However, we are about to hit resistance support line for the falling wedge and resistance for the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders here. So we have to keep an eye on all of this stuff. I think we're pretty much just going to go sideways a little bit, and it's probably going to be a few days before we see any moves, whether it's go up, whether it's go down. Um, so we're going to keep an eye on that. I'll have emergency videos if we make a break either way, whether we go to the downside, whether we pump. I'll be making a video. Turn those bell notifications on so you guys know. Okay, and now for the XRP price prediction. Let's take a quick look. The 215 is the neckline. What we would do if this thing goes to break out. Sorry about that. If this thing goes to break out, see from the neckline to the head, move it to our potential breakout point. And guys, almost $2.68 to our resistance up here. That's where this one's heading. Now, that's not actually the one that I am watching. That is the short term. Let's see. This is the falling wedge we are in. Let me try to pull it up on the weekly. And as you guys can see, we actually got a bounce off of the support. We are hitting resistance. If this thing blows, it is going to be from bottom to the top, which if it broke right here, that would put us at about $4.90. You might as well say $5, fellas. $5 is where it would put us for XRP. Now, Bitcoin is pretty similar. If this one breaks, we can also see a very nice $135,000 on the money. That is what will happen when this falling wedge on the monthly chart breaks. So let me jump straight into the news. Now, as you guys can see on my screen, the title here says Ripple partners with Hashkey Capital to launch XRP tracker fund in Asia. Now, this is pretty much just a fund. Asia can now buy XRP and everything. Everything is tracked. We get to see how much volume in a time frame, the whole nine. So it's going to keep good eye on Asia and their ETF buying activity. That way, it gives people like me an idea of what XRP is about to do. Is Asia really pulling to it? Do they not really like it? Or is it because it's American? They don't like it. There's a lot of reasons why this thing is released, and we got to give it a test to see what is going to happen. Now, it says right here, I'll read it to you. Ripple has announced a collaboration with Hashkey Capital to launch the Hashkey Tracker Fund, the first investment fund in Asia designed to track the performance of XRP. Um, Now, it had a good piece of info right down here. XRP currently ranks as the world's largest, as the world's third largest crypto by market capitalization, standing at approximately 121 billion alone. Market speculation around a potential spot XRP exchange traded fund, or ETF, is also growing, with Standard Charter anticipating approval in the third quarter. Okay, guys, we are in the second quarter right now, which will be potentially unlocking significant inflows for the market, which means price action volatility, which is what we have been waiting on, guys. And I appreciate you staying with me till the very end, because this is big news. I'm going to keep an eye on the chart. If you want to check out all my latest stuff up here in the left, you can subscribe to the right. Until the next video, fellas, y'all take care of yourselves and each other.